Watch this video and learn how to draw this. Oh my! Later in the show, we're all going to sing a song. Oh, jolly good fun. Is everybody ready? Are you ready, little artists? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Oh, hello little artists. Welcome to Artie's show. Thank you for watching. I'm really happy you're here. We're going to have a fun time. We're going to do a drawing together. And later on in the show, I'm going to have a song. It's going to be so much fun.
Hello, I'm Betty Brush.
And I'm Mikey Marker.
Welcome to Artie's show.
Well, I'm very excited to start. So there's no holding off now. All we've got to do is begin. It's easy. Come on.
Let's hop to it!
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Hi! Ooh, this is so inspiring.
Oh, thank you.
Makes me want to hop over and draw something too.
Okay.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye!
Keep watching, because coming up, we're going to have a song. It'll be fun. I love drawing so much. Okay, little artists, let's stop and sing a song. I want you all to sing along. Get up and dance too. Are you ready? Here it comes.
Time for bed. The moon is shining bright. Snuggle in, close your eyes and dream all through the night. Brush your teeth. Put your PJs on. Grab a book, let's take a look. The day will soon be gone. Bedtime, let's unwind. The stars are in the sky. Artie says it's time to rest. Tomorrow we'll fly high. Tuck you in with your blanket tight. Artie's here to say goodnight. Sleep until it's light. Good night, sweet dreams in your head. Artie whispers softly, now it's time to go to bed.
Wasn't that song so good? It's going to be stuck in my head all day now. Anyway, let's carry on with our drawing. much fun.
Oh,
Oh no! What's that music? Ugh, it's painty. Ugh, no. Ugh.
Look out! Uh-oh. Yeah! Hooray!
I'm finished! Oh, wow, it came out really, really good. Yeah, what should we do now? Oh, I know, let's color it in.
it sure needs some color.
I think I'm finished. Oh, wow, it looks so good now it's finished and it's got some color. I'm really pleased. Yeah.
Bye, Artie!
Bye, Artie.
See you later, little artists. And don't forget, have an Arty day.
Thanks for watching Artie's show. We're so happy you came. Please come again. Bye-bye for now. Have an Arty day. Bye-bye.